Annyeonghaseyo! Hello everyone! I'm Lou, and today we are going to make a very popular Korean side dish called kimchi. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This simple kimchi recipe is made with cut napa cabbage, carrots, and scallions with a seasoned paste of red pepper flakes, garlic, ginger, sugar, and fish sauce. First, cut the cabbage lengthwise through the stem into quarters. Cut each quarter crosswise into 2-inch wide strips. Place the cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle with salt. Using your hands, massage the salt into the cabbage until it starts to soften a bit. Then, add enough water to cover the cabbage. This salting process is done to kill off harmful bacteria in the cabbage. Put a plate on top of the cabbage and weigh it down with something heavy. Let stand for 1 to 2 hours. After a few hours, rinse the cabbage under cold water 3 times. Set aside to drain in a colander for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the spice paste. In a bowl, mix the garlic, ginger, sugar, and fish sauce and stir into a smooth paste. Add the gochugaru or Korean chili pepper flakes into the mixture. 1 tablespoon for mild spiciness and up to 5 tablespoons for the spiciest. Here, I added 3.5 tablespoons of pepper flakes for a not too spicy and not too mild taste. When the cabbage has drained all its water, place it again in the bowl and add the chopped carrots and scallions. Then add the spice paste. Mix gently with your hands until the paste gets coated thoroughly on the vegetables. Using gloves is also highly recommended to protect your hands from stings, stains, and smells. Pack the kimchi into a jar. I used a bit of a bigger jar here, but you can use a smaller one so the kimchi will be fully intact. Press down the kimchi until the brine or the juice that comes out rises to cover the vegetables. Let the jar stand at cool room temperature out of direct sunlight for 1 to 5 days. So, here is our finished product. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.